I decided to sort out my container. I store all my jewelry in it. Everything needed for decor, to embellish a frame. When I shoot my masterclasses, and generally for my creativity. In general, everything I have collected, I gradually put here. It is an ordinary container. I bought it at the fixed price store. Basically, almost everything here was bought there. But there are, of course, some things that are not from there. So, here I haven't taken this out yet. These appliques, stickers, which are used on clothing, especially for kids, when there's a little hole to cover it up. In general, various appliques like these that I collected on AliExpress, I won't show them to you, because I already showed you all of this earlier. Next, here I have a long hook and loop fastener. I once bought it to knit a bag. In general, I bought a lot. And now I have some sitting here. There's also a brown one somewhere, not here. Next, I have a set of masking tapes. I won't show the ordinary ones anymore. And these beautiful adhesive ribbons. So, here, let's start in order with this tray. Which was gifted to us by friends, I think it was last New Year. I don't remember anymore. It's such a festive, beautiful one. I also have it displayed. I don't use it purposely, because I feel sorry for it. I'd rather display it as decoration. Oh, it's falling. I will put it in the container now. Next, I have this little box. It's also for New Year's. I used it for photos as well. It's like this. I don't store anything in it. Although, in principle, I could put something in there. It is empty for me. It doesn't open very conveniently, but it looks quite beautiful with the snowman. Next, I have this little chest. You have probably seen it already, right? We made such things at the children's camp. I filmed a video too. Well, actually not exactly like these. This one is a little better. Here's what we made for ourselves. Inside, I still have some painted golden ears of grain. These would also be good for decoration somewhere. There should also be a lock here. It has already arrived. We ordered it from China. I still need to attach a nice lock clasp to it somehow. I bought this little tree and a squirrel. Here's a snow lady on skis or whatever this is, I don't know. It looks like some girl. 2 decorative branches here. By the way, I used this one for the last hat beanie hook. I think it looks beautiful. It fits perfectly in the frame. It refreshes things. As for autumn, I have these plastic apples. They would also decorate some photo nicely. Oh, I'm filming a video on the table. I also have these autumn leaves here. Acorns, red, yellow. Here is a set from Fixed Price. I bought it quite a while ago along with this. Here, I have different colorful hearts. Next, if we look at the autumn theme, I have this set of ribbons. They are like ribbons made from maple leaves. Well, something similar. These can also be used to decorate something. But I haven't thought of anything yet. So for now, this set is just sitting. Here I have these hearts made from newspaper tubes. Next, I have these beautiful clothespins. You can use them to attach something. For example, to print some photos. They make them beautiful, decorate, and attach pictures. Then I have these pendants in the shape of hearts. They come in different colors. I think I bought 2 sets. One I unpacked, and one is still packed. There's a garland of hearts that runs on batteries. It turns on and lights up. So, what else do I have here? Well, I think everyone has this cotton too. It looks nice. I see it in many frames as well. Then this inscription, Happy New Year, was, I think, in a bouquet of flowers. I kept it because I find it very beautiful. And this is also from flowers, somewhere from a bouquet. I think it will come in handy somewhere, although I think I have already used these hearts somewhere. This bicycle, of course, everyone probably has too. Usually a small flower pot is placed here. But I don't have one, so it's like this for now. But I haven't used it anywhere yet, by the way. I need to figure out where to put it. Well, these are such small figurines. This is an ordinary snowman. Here is such a beautiful candle in the shape of an angel. And here is a festive candle as well. And I have this. And I have this garland too. These are festive drops shaped like hearts. It is very, very delicate, also battery operated. Look at how delicate the drops and hearts are here. They can also be turned on. And it works like a garland. It will look very nice somewhere on a shelf. Or it can also decorate a small Christmas tree. Wonderful, it seems to me. So, and here is such a notebook. I really like it a lot. Look here. This was a gift from my husband once. He knows that I love different notebooks, especially ones like this. Inside, there are regular pages that can be replaced if needed. If they run out, they can be taken out and simply replaced with other pages. But I really like the design. This is how it closes, and there is a string here. Doing this with one hand is quite tricky to pull the string from behind. And here it comes out. Yes, these little strings. And we wrap it around this heart. And such a lovely notebook. It was also sold at the fixed price in different colors. But this one looks very chic. I don't dare to write anything in it yet. But I have many notebooks, so I haven't gotten to it yet. I just use it for decoration. In videos when I shoot, it's in this special box. Well, isn't it beautiful? These are my decorations. Maybe something else got lost somewhere. Maybe all of this didn't make it, but I've probably already shown you most of it. By the way, look. I found another notebook. It's also cool, but it's not mine actually. This one is double-sided. It has one side and the other. Such an interesting picture. An animal, yes, a panda. Here is a forest, probably, yes. This is Yana, my daughter. She also, like me, loves such colorful things. Especially notebooks too. She loves to draw. That's why it wasn't very cheap. But she asked, so we bought it for her. And I often take it too. As a decoration, I just place it on the table. It looks so original, doesn't it? So there she draws her own stuff. And sometimes I ask her to use this notebook too. So, friends, thank you for watching, that's all. I will wrap it up. We'll meet very soon. That will be in my next video.